Namaskaram, Nyan Eliza. Learn Malayalam with Elikuttilekku Swagatham. If you're looking for a place to help you learn Malayalam, you've come to the right channel. Today is lesson 11 in our Beginners Malayalam learning series. If you need to catch up on the last 10 episodes, do check out my playlist and we'll be rating right here for you when you're ready to join. All right, today we're going to change topics into talking about the time. We're going to learn some time phrases and how to read a clock and how to ask and tell the time in Malayalam. But first, let's review. Let's look at this conversation here in English, and I'd like you to translate it into Malayalam. Do be sure that you translate the numbers. Don't just write the number. Translate it into what the words are in Malayalam. When you're ready, hit play and we'll go over it together. All right, let's talk about it. Namaskaram, Perindane. Namaskaram, Nyan Danny. Hi Danny. Amerikakaranano? Alla, Nyan Englandil ninnaane. Sheri. Etra vayassundu? Enikku 23 vayassundu. Etra vayassundu? Enikku 23 vayassundu. Great. Now we're not done with our review yet. Before we can tell the time, I need to make sure you know your numbers. So pause this video and try to recall the numbers 0 through 12. If you have trouble remembering it, be sure to go back and check our lesson on numbers and then press play when you're ready to move on. All right, here we are. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 11 is 11 and 12 is 12. How'd you do? All right, let's finally get into today's conversations. The first one. Ippo etra maniyai? 6 maniyai. Ayyo, nerettiyanu. Ade pakshe joli undu. So ippo, now, etra maniyai. Literally, how many bells have there been? Or how many bells are there? So what time is it? Aramaniyai. So we know ara means 6. So aramani is 6 o'clock. Ayo, nerettiyanu. So 6 a.m. is early. Nerette, early. Ade pakshe joliyundu. Oh, yes, but I have work. Next. Samayam etrayi? Ippo 7:06. Devame, njan vaygipoi. So here's another way to ask the time. Samayam etrayi. So samayam is time. Etrayi, how much time is there? Or what time is it? Ippo 7:06. So 7 is 7. Ara is half. So 7:30. Devame, oh my God. Njan vaygipoi. So in the last conversation, they were early. Nerette. But now this person is late. Vaygipoi, to be late. So let's look at the ways we can tell time. So when it's 9 o'clock, we would say 9 mani. Then 9:15 is 9:15. Then 9:30, 9:30. 9:45, 9:45. And then 10 o'clock, 10 mani. So again, it's money with the retroflex na, money. And then quarter past, ekal. 2 long vowels here, long a, long a, ekal. Half past, ara, not ara, because that's a different word, ara, short sounds. And then quarter till, emukal, emukal. Okay. Also, do note that when you're telling the time, you would use the word manikya. Mona manikya, anja manikya, we're telling the time. But we can also tell duration with the word manikur. Manikur. So, Mona manikya cinema tudangum. The movie will start at 3. Cinema Mona manikur arne. The movie is 3 hours long. This is the duration. Try to remember this. It's very easy to confuse the two. And as a reminder, make sure that you're using the retroflex na, na. Money, not money, money. So let's practice. Here's a short conversation. Press pause, translate into Malayalam, and then we'll go over it together. Here we go. Bus eppa varum? Bus 11 varum. Sheri. എത്ര മണിക്കൂർ യാത്രയാണ്? 2 മണിക്കൂറാണ്. All right, how did you do? As always, you can join us on our Discord server. We have over 2,000 members of learners and helpers alike, and free lessons every Monday at 7 and 8 p.m. IST. We hope to see you there. And until next time, Apoilam Pannathu Pole.